Hey guys, and welcome back here outside in the nature. It's early in the morning, or not so early as last week. I think it's about, or I'm not sure, half an hour after sunrise. My plan for today is to do a bit bird photography. I know there's a lot bird photography on this channel at the moment, but here's nothing else to photograph right now. There are some tits again, and they're fighting. I don't know why. That's really sweet. Some blue tits. Yeah, anyways. In this time of the year, there's nothing else to photograph, and I think, birds are getting active right now, or in this time of the year, and then I will photograph them because, I don't know, macro photography isn't really nice because there's nothing to photograph, and I think in a few weeks I can do some macro photography again, but at the moment I think the only opportunity is to photograph birds. I have no specific plan today. I just went out and hopefully I can take some nice bird shots. One thing more, I wanted to show you something. Last week when I was on the road with my bike, I saw a fox on a field, lying down and sleeping. Luckily I had my camera in my bag, so I could take 2 photos, but then the fox ran away because he saw me. Here I will show you these photos and then I go on. Guys, here isn't really much. Here are some the English bird's name. That's awful. I don't know, some stars. I don't know the correct English name. So not the stars in the cloud, the bird stars. I don't know. They're sitting in the trees, and what I like to do is to photograph their silhouette, and when they fly away, then I take a photo, and that looks really nice because the light is coming through their wings, and that looks pretty cool. And I was able to photograph a star or whatever it is before the sun, so I can show you this photo. It looks really nice. I can hear a woodpecker from behind me all the time, but I couldn't find him. So I think I look for them now, and maybe I can take some woodpecker shots. Let's see. Okay, the woodpecker is anywhere in this forest here. I couldn't find him. So but and there it was again. Oh, I don't know. I think here are 2 woodpeckers. because sometimes the sound is coming from this direction and sometimes from this. I'm not sure. Anyways, I will don't waste my time. But I think this woodpecker is quite near to me because I can hear them loud and yeah. But what I wanted to say is that I will don't waste my time to search this woodpecker because I think I couldn't find them, and if I find it, it's up in the tree. So yeah, maybe I can find one later, but I think not yet. Okay guys, I'm now here in the forest because I couldn't ignore the woodpeckers. As I said, they were 2 woodpeckers, and he's sitting. I think it's green woodpecker and a great spotted woodpecker. Yeah, but as I said, they're really high up in the trees, so it's not really nice to photograph them, but I can take a few photos for you to show it to you. Okay guys, I just go down because here are a lot of tits and I have to be quiet and I don't move. Maybe they're coming close to me. Hopefully, I'm not sure. Here. There were just 2 blue tits in a bush 2 meters before me a few moments ago. But my focus didn't work, so I couldn't take a photo. It's really sad, but yeah, I can change it. And I will wait more, and hopefully they're coming again. Oh, guys, this day is the best example that wildlife photography isn't easy, and most of the time you're not successful. Here are so many birds, I can hear them, but I don't know why, but they're so shy today. I don't know. But when I get closer to them, then they flow away. So the blue tits, normally I can go 2 meters close to them, and today they fly away if I'm 10 meters away from them. So, and then it's impossible to photograph these little birds. But here I think it's really important that you don't give up and you come to the place again and again. And you're not always successful. I think most of the time you're not successful, and you have to enjoy it to be out in the nature, and you don't have to demotivate you if nothing happened. So yeah, my plan is to go now to the falcon habitat, and maybe I can photograph some birds of prey to have a little success today and to show you some nice photos, because yeah, think in this video I talked most of the time and I couldn't show you really nice photos, but yeah, as I said, it is what it is and I can't change it. Yeah, I have to walk about 10 minutes and then I'm there. So yeah, till later. Okay guys, plan change. I'm in a little cabin right now, and the reason for that is that out of the cabin here is a big bush with lots of birds. But as I said, I don't know why, but they're really shy today. And here in this cabin so it's a little small cabin, but it doesn't matter. And here in this cabin are some windows, and as you can see, there behind is the bush. I don't know if you can see it there, and on this side too. And I hope the birds will come back in a few moments, and hopefully I can take some photos of them, but yeah, I'm not sure. So let's test it out. Okay guys, as you can see, my plants grew off. I photographed this bird. I don't know what it is, or I know what it is, but I don't know the English name. And yeah, this bird is sitting, I think about 4 meters behind this little cabin here, and normally they're really shy and hard to photograph, and now I'm really happy to saw this bird. So here, let's wait and maybe it is coming closer. Okay, I go back home now. I'm not going to the birds of prey today. I spent my time for the birds here near the cabin, and it was really fun and a nice experience. Yeah, I have one problem. I realized that it's Saturday right now, and I have to edit my video for today. Yeah, that's a big problem. So I have to be fast now. Here I only have, I don't know, 6 hours, then the video have to come. And yeah, it's the second part or the second episode of the nature reserve photography video. And here, so I go back home now. Hopefully I'm finished at 5 p.m. So yeah, it would be nice if you subscribe my channel. It helps me really a lot, and maybe you can like this video if you liked it. So yeah, then see you next Saturday and have a nice week. Bye.